An innovation engine for tomorrow. Korea Institute of Machinery and Materials. A place to envision a new future, dreaming of affluence and happiness for people. KIMM, established in 1976, is moving the world, designing the past, present, and future of mechanical technology. The core power behind the development of every industry that supports our economy, such as semiconductors, cell phones, cars, and ships, all are possible through machinery technologies which determine manufacturing productivity and quality. At its core, KIMM has become a driving power that leads Korean scientific technology and economic development through original technology for machinery design, reliability and testing, technology transfers, and corporate supports. The living history of Korean machine technology, KIMM is about to make history again. KIMM has been playing a key role as a government-funded research institute in the machinery field for the past 40 years. The institute is leading technological innovation through specialized research in 5 fields: advanced manufacturing systems, extreme mechanical engineering, nanoconvergence mechanical systems, environmental and energy systems, and mechanical system safety. The research goal in advanced manufacturing systems is the maximization of productivity and efficiency through the development of innovative manufacturing equipments and processes for products with accuracy ranging from the nanometer to the micrometer scale. Researchers use the world's best printed electronics technology to continuously print narrow conductive lines that are only 7 micrometers wide with silver nanoparticle ink. In extreme mechanical engineering, research is being conducted to overcome the limits of the conventional technology used in extreme environments. Through the use of plasma, researchers have commercialized an effective treatment process for hazardous greenhouse gases emitted during the manufacture of semiconductors or displays. In nanoconvergence mechanical systems, research is being done to combine machine technology with nanotechnology based on nanofabrication, nanomeasurement, reliability, and nature-inspired nanobiotechnologies. Researchers are developing industry-leading multi-layer nano-imprint technology that engraves nanopatterns into several layers with UV and heat. KIMM has system technology capable of detecting the location of the interlayer patterns down to 5 nanometers during the multi-layer circuit process. KIMM's multi-layer nano-imprint lithography system is being utilized in the semiconductor process. In environmental and energy systems, research is being focused on green energy and environmental machinery technology towards a pollution-free environment, energy safety, and original technology and equipment for the nuclear industry to cope with global warming and environmental regulations. Low-carbon gaseous fuel technologies are being developed for eco-friendly and highly efficient automotive vehicles. Also, researchers are propelling the advancement of this technology and expanding this technology into other areas. In the fields of mechanical systems and safety, KIMM has been researching the core element technologies necessary for the design and engineering of large and complex mechanical systems and their integrated system technologies. Moreover, researchers have focused on the new and innovative machinery system technologies as well, applying those relevant technologies all together. The revolutionary urban transportation system for the 21st century has been developed by KIMM. The maglev train, which begins commercial service for the second time in the world, will be a next-generation transportation system that makes our daily lives more comfortable. KIMM, technology that opens up the future to people's dreams. Machine accuracy and performance will be predicted through computer simulations in virtual environments, and human-like industrial robots will carry out complex production activities that presently only human workers can do. A gas turbine with high power but a small size will fly high. Additionally, through application of plasma in extreme conditions, next-generation vehicles with enhanced fuel efficiency and performance will be running on roads. New cities and airports are erected on ocean spaces, and plants that are larger than the ground are being constructed. Cool winds become energy, and deep ocean resources are reborn using KIMM's technology. KIMM is the birthplace of technologies that enhance our lives. These are invented inspired by nature and our surroundings. Self-cleaning glass windows inspired by the lotus leaf. Diving suits with fish-inspired artificial gills, and even artificial organs such as kidneys, or very efficient water purification systems that control the transportation of ions or molecules through nanochannels are now being realized at KIMM. With mechanical technologies that cross over from nature to humanity, our lives will become richer. With incredible technology, KIMM has become the foundation for corporate growth in Korea. Specialized researchers, such as technology coordinators and doctors, assist in solving technical difficulties at production sites of small and medium-sized enterprise, increasing corporate competitiveness through evaluations of the reliability of machinery parts and running performance tests on original equipments. Now, KIMM's technology is moving beyond the Republic of Korea and out into the world. Our researchers are working to be the center of international studies in innovative machine-related fusion technologies by constructing cooperative networks between world-class R&D institutes and universities. A place of ceaseless change and value-added creative technology. A research institute specializing in world-class machinery technology, leading national industry for the world's best fusion technology. The innovation engine for tomorrow, the Korea Institute of Machinery Materials.